You ever wake up and think about what we're having for dinner? Making baked potato soup in the crock pot. Spray potatoes, onion, celery, in shredded carrots for some extra veg, garlic. Let's get rid of my leftover cream cheese. Teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper, garlic powder. Threw in some of this for good measure. Let her cook till the potatoes get soft. Potatoes are soft. Adding in some bone broth. Add in some half and half. Blend. Ooh, she's silky. Little cheese, little sour cream. Stir. Bacon. Put a little bacon grease in there. Stir. We cut up our bacon. Your soup is ready.
All right, here we go. That's delicious.